we'd recommend this one.
The one-eyed witch passageway.
It'll lead you straight to Honeyduke's cellar.
But you best hurry. Filch is heading this way.
Oh, and Harry, don't forget, when you're done, just give it a tap and say, Mischief managed. Otherwise anyone can read it.
Fred, you next.
He's not Fred, I am. Honestly, woman, you call yourself our mother.
Oh, I'm sorry, George.
I'm only joking. I am Fred.
Saint-like.
Come again?
Saint-like. I'm holy. I'm holy, Fred. You get it?
Oi. Never gonna let him forget this, are you?
Never.
Just trying to diffuse the tension.
You okay, Freddy? Yeah. Me too.
Bottoms up. Yes! Ready? Yes!
You said! Oh, we're identical.
This.
5 galleons.
How much for me?
5 galleons.
I'm your brother.
10 galleons.
Morning.